Gold and silver just took a dive recently. Investors are confused, traders are panicking, but here's the real question: is this a warning, or the biggest opportunity of the year? Stay with me, because what's happening right now could decide your next move. Welcome back to the channel. If you care about smart investing, gold, silver, and protecting your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down why gold and silver just dropped, what big money is doing right now, and whether this is your last chance to buy before the next surge. What just happened? Let's start with the obvious. Gold and silver didn't just fall randomly. There are three major reasons behind this drop. First, stronger dollar pressure. When the US dollar rises, gold usually falls. It's simple, gold becomes more expensive globally. Second, interest rate expectations. If investors believe central banks might keep rates higher for longer, gold becomes less attractive because it doesn't pay interest. Third, profit taking. After a strong rally, big investors often sell to lock in gains, and that creates sudden drops like the one we're seeing now. But here's where it gets interesting: what smart money is doing. While retail investors panic, smart money is watching closely. Historically, sharp drops in gold and silver often happen before major upward moves. Why? Because weak hands sell, strong hands accumulate. This is how markets transfer wealth. Big institutions don't chase highs, they buy fear. And right now, there is fear in the market. Is this the last chance? So, is this the last opportunity? Let's be realistic. No one can predict the exact bottom. But here are the signals to watch. Global uncertainty is still high. Inflation is not fully under control. Central banks are still buying gold. These are long-term bullish signals. So if prices drop while fundamentals stay strong, that's not weakness, that's opportunity. But don't go all in at once. Smart strategy is: buy in phases. Stay patient. Think long-term, not emotional. So here's the bottom line: this drop in gold and silver might scare many people, but for smart investors, it could be a rare entry point. The question is not, why is it dropping? The real question is, will you take advantage, or watch from the sidelines? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the market. And tell me in the comments, are you buying this dip, or waiting?